Nice try, mate, but I'm the best.
Let's go!
Hello. Presence of animals in the new Animal Crossing? I'm not talking about my neighbors, no, they make sense. I'm talking about the others. The ones that don't have personalities or hobbies or pay a mortgage. The animals. When Blathers, the museum curator, sees the owl perched outside of City Hall every night, does he see an equal? A peer? Or does he see an inferior? How come some dogs are chained to a doghouse, while other dogs get to work cushy government jobs? And who decides which hamsters get to freely roam about the fields, and which hamsters are cursed to a life behind a cage for eternity? Oh boy, I think I need to get out of the house more. Oh wait, I can't.
I can't get over the posts of people hating their ugly villagers. Now, for real, how do you get rid of villagers? I have the Space Dandy Rat and I want him gone. My third villager, I feel your pain. You preach into the choir, Queen. Why does it look like that?
Oops, my heart went.
I'm in danger.
Damn, son, these bitches want some. Hey, Freddy, can I, no.
Dom is not my favorite because any conversation with them, they won't shut up about working out. I can't say I'm the biggest fan of your lacy tank. Are you serious? Is there a resident causing you trouble? Fucking Dom. What about Dom's behavior is upsetting you? The way he dresses. He changed his shirt. This is like when you're in gym class or you're like in middle school and you're told that you're breaking the dress code, so they give you like some standard school shirt to wear for the rest of the day. Dude, I hate him. I want him to move out. I'm gonna give him trash. Giving him an old tire. Sorry, I don't need trash. Take my trash. How rude. Yeah, ungrateful. How rude. I'm gonna send it to him in the mail. Dear Dom, I chose this card because I want you to fly away and never return. I hate you. Please move to Idiot Island where you belong. Warm regards, XOXO, Meg. And now you're gonna take my tire and you're gonna like it. Letter send.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. You're not that handsome.
Wow, thanks.
Uh-huh.
How are you doing today, Jasmine?
But you did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Why though?
Tell no
2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, I love you. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time. Girl, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm. Sing, I got to do. Everybody wants to. You know how we do it. West side. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can.
Run. Ready? Not yet. Ooh. Same. Next. Trash. Next. That's a fish.
Day 1, playing Animal Crossing. Day 2, playing Animal Crossing. Day 3 of
I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch.
This game is trash! She just turned her vacuum cleaner on for no reason. Oh my god, she's dancing. Look at her. Stop! Like, are you gonna eat me? Oh my god.
No, no, no.
Someone wrote this song before, and I could tell you where it's from. ain't a damn lie. So the feeling of my life was a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I'm down on. Only time on my mind when I'm all alone. That's why I'm never really alone in the nighttime. Change hoes like clothes, I can get attacked.
A body has been discovered!
She probably saw my Barney letter. Oh my god, here you go. Bro, she really freaking ran up on me like that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
No. 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 I ain't playing that.
Look at her, looking like freaking burnt Barney fetus. Who? I think you're better at this morning thing than I am, you know. Stupid. I hope she understands that once Apollo pulls up, she better keep her distance. Overall dressed. Oh my god! Bro, when Apollo pull up, I'm gonna be like...